news. After decades of research, scientists say they finally developed a first-of-its-kind vaccine to protect young children from a common but potentially dangerous respiratory virus, RSV. Pfizer announced today its new vaccine is more than 80% effective at preventing severe cases of RSV in newborns. When they're 6 months old, still almost 70% effective. And here's the important thing. Doctors don't give the shot to babies. They give it to pregnant mothers. Pfizer officials say they didn't find any safety issues at all. They say they plan to file for approval by the end of the year, and if regulators then sign off on the vax, it could roll out as early as next fall. As we've reported, RSV is sweeping the country. Symptoms usually similar to the common cold, but the virus can be especially troublesome for children younger than 5. The CDC reports between 100 and 300 kids die from it each year in the U.S. Dr. Veronica Gillespie-Bell is with us. She's an obstetrician and gynecologist, also an associate professor in New Orleans. Doctor, man, this sounds so great. How much of a difference could this vaccine make?
This is huge, Shepard. We know that 2.1 million individual visits are seen for RSV every year, 58,000 hospitalizations for children under 5. And so looking at the data, as you mentioned, it's safe, it's effective. This is a game changer for RSV.
You know, but after all the vaccine misinformation and disinformation with COVID, how challenging is it going to be to get pregnant mothers to take the thing? I mean, what's the message?
You know, I think we learned a lot from the COVID-19 vaccine and how to have that conversation. But I think what's most important about this clinical trial is that it actually involved pregnant women. You know, from COVID-19, we had to extrapolate a lot of data, and that made those conversations very challenging because pregnant women were not allowed in those clinical trials. But now we have data that involved pregnant women, and we saw that the vaccine was safe, and we see that it's effective.
You know, Dr. Jha just said that about 90% of all kids get this before they turn 2. So why are we seeing such a crush in cases that are severe right now?
You know, we've been wearing masks for the last 2 years, and rightfully so, because we needed to protect against COVID-19, but that also has decreased our immunity to other viruses like RSV as well as the flu. And that's why we're seeing such a surge right now and seeing our hospitalization rates go up. We just don't have the immunity.
Dr. Veronica Gillespie-Bell, thanks so much.